Divide 886 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 8 and it is 38. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 6 and it is 36. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 1. And now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So now it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 886 divided by 5 is 177 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.